quick video on how to install this flushing kit for your Sea-Doo Spark. Normally it's very difficult to flush these things. So we're gonna take it apart. It's simple instructions. You get the hose, we're gonna put a clamp around the hose, we're gonna put this adapter right at the end of this hose, and then we're gonna put this adapter, which is this one, at the end of this hose. And then we're gonna remove our Venturi. You gotta do that. Once you remove all that, then it's very easy, especially if you have IBR system and you cannot get to it with the RBR system on. Then we're gonna hook it up, and this will be a flush kit. This is what the complete assembly looks like. Gray, light gray piece, dark gray piece, hose with the hose clamp. Put the hose clamp on the other end. You see these two posts? This is where this is gonna get screwed into. And then you see this black nipple? Goes on the end of that. And in fact, if you make sure your hose clamp is facing this way, so it would be easier to screw it in. Put it back on there. Don't tighten anything down. First, you gotta make sure that you tighten these bolts down, and then you can tighten the other things down. So it comes with these two Torx bolts. And then, sorry, I'm showing the wrong thing. Anyway, I'm gonna put the bolts in. That's it, completely assembly. Screws, zip tie back there. Now, I know it's a pain to take all this off, but that's the proper way to do it. There's no way you'll be able to access all this without taking that off. If you want to know how to take this off, watch my video on how to replace your wearing on your Sea-Doo Spark. In that I show all the steps, the easy way, the proper way of taking all this off.